Welcome all. In this video, we are going to learn how Visual Basic can compare strings. Strings is nothing but collection of characters. It can be a sentence, it can be a word. So how strings can be compared in Visual Basic, that is what we are going to see, going to check in this video practically as well as theoretically. So let's check the theory at first. Visual Basic compares string using the like operator as well as numeric comparison operators. The like operator allows us to specify pattern. Fine. The string is then compared against pattern, and if it matches, then it evaluates true, otherwise it evaluates false. So whenever the string get matched with the second string or the first string get matched with the second string, it returns true. Otherwise it will return false. That is, in numeric case also same used to happen. The numeric operator allow us to compare string values based on their sort order. This is important, you need to concentrate. As the following example shows, so here we have a string value and we have another string value 73. 73 is written within double quote. So 73 is not a numeric. It is not 73, actually it is 73. Same way, this is also is a string variable or string value, sorry, because it is within double quote. If we compare 73 with is less than 9, so the result will come what? The result will preceding comparison is true. Why true? Because 7 will get checked with 9 whether it is bigger or not. Because of 7 is lesser than 9, so it will return true. Simple, as simple. Fine. The next, let's learn the result in preceding example is true because the first character in the first string sorts before the first character in the second string. So in the preceding example means in this example we saw the first character of the first string. First character of the first string is what? 7. Then it gets sort before the first character in the second string. So first character in the second string is 9. It will get compared with 9. Then it will be finded out whether it is satisfying with the number, satisfied with the case or not. If the first character were equal, if the first character here also I keep 7 and here also I keep 7, then it will go with, then the comparison would continue with the next character in the both string. It means the second string, the second character of the first string and second character of the second string, which the example is given here. All of you please check. Here we kept 734 and 734. So in this case it is returning true. Why true? Because 734 it is as it is written, same way only the second string also is written. So both the case the operator is the value is similar, so we can say like this is true. True will be evaluated as it is written. We can also test equality for string using equality operator. This is equal sign is known as equality operator as well. Okay, one more example is given. If one string prefix of another such as AA is the first string and second string is AAA. The longer string considered to be greater. It means out of these two, if the greater or smaller we are checking, then AA will be smaller than AAA because this is the longer string. The length will be finded out and it will be checked. So length of this string is 2 and length of this string is 3. So obviously this string will be, the second string will be bigger than the first string. So the thing is written, the theory, the longer string considered to be greater than the shorter string. The following example illustrates that the AAA, that is within double quote, greater than AA. So obviously it is true, so the result will become true. Hope all of you understand the theory. Now let's check the practical of it going to the Visual Basic editor. So in the editor I already designed keeping 3 labels: enter first string, enter second string and result. So then 2 text field I have taken and 2 button I have taken. Clicking on compare, the 2 string will get compared whether it is equal or greater, and clicking clear will get clear the text box. Fine. Now double click on the compare button and write the coding. As we have to take 2 string variables So we can take here s1 comma s2 as string. So we have taken two string variables. Now s1 equal to s1 is what? Now text1 dot text. The first text whatever we inputted in the first text box will go to s1. Same way we can transfer the second text box content to s2. Fine. Now we can compare here. If s1 is greater than s2, then the message will come in level 3. So level 3 already we have taken dot caption equal to level 3 dot caption ampersand sign. Then we can give a gap here. So here we gave the ampersand sign to join them, and we can write here what? True. Okay. And other case what will happen? Let's copy this, and else otherwise the level 3 dot caption, it is what? False. False means it's not matching. Fine. So now let's check whether it is working or not, keeping and if. Now running the program, giving here AA and giving here AA. So what it is showing? False, because both are equal. So we didn't kept else if, so that's why it is showing false. So let's check AAA. Now false is showing because this is not true with this. Now here let's keep triple means more. So let's check true is showing. So understood my point. Now let's clear the screen, clear the text box. So let's make here level 3 dot caption equal to free, means vacant, empty we are doing, so that every time we start it will free the level 3, so that the answer will get clear before. Okay. And for button also, suppose you want to write, you can write here text, that is button number 2. So we have taken here button as copied, so index is written. So we can make here select case index. Okay, select case index. So what will happen here? Now case 1, if it is case 0 means the first button, then this all will happen. Okay, this all will happen, means it will execute with the first one. If the case 1, it means it will go with the clear button. So in that case we can do what? This level 3 I can copy here. Fine. Then text 1 dot text also will get clear, and we are just copying for text 2, so that also will get clear, so that our program looks nice. And select I made to end the select statement. Now let's run the program, giving here computer and giving here computer. So in this case the small letter is written C here and capital is written. So just check it. It is showing true. Why true? Because the content here, whatever you kept the content, it will get compared with this C. So this C ASCII code is this C is bigger than the ASCII code of this C. Okay, so that because of it is showing true. It means this particular computer is greater than this. Now suppose let's make here capital and here let's make small. Now check, it is showing false. Okay, so this is how it is working, and you can use the clear button also. And in clear button we can specify the set focus, which we learned before. Text1 dot set focus. So the focus will appear there. As well as one more thing, here the caption, whatever the caption is given, caption is what? Result. So that result also we can make here, like in this case we can make RESULT, result. Okay, the result also we can show there, specifying, so that every time we refresh the clicking on the button, we refresh it, so the result will be there. Result never will remove from there. The result caption will be appear always there. Let's check, giving some number here ABC, giving some number here ABC, comparing, false is showing. See, both are similar. So in this case it should show true. So why it is showing false? Let's check our mistake. Now let's check. I use here the else if statement A, B, C, and here I am giving ABC. So equal is showing. Why? Now I have added here the content, like else if I have added. If it is else, then false, and otherwise case it will show you equal sign. Okay. Hope all of you understood the concept nicely.